students. I think Lokesh Rajput. So far we have completed question number, I think question number 8 to question number 13 we have completed in the last video. Now we'll be proceeding from question number 14 onwards. Okay, so let us begin with question number 14. Question number 14 is font. Please use your textbook. Question number 14 is one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. I think you all may be familiar with the playing cards. Okay, so there are 52 playing cards. Okay, and 52 playing cards. There are 4 types of cards. Okay, spade, club, diamond, and one more is their heart. Okay, there are 4 types. Each of them are 13. Okay, 13 type के 4 types के कार्ड होते हैं और total number of cards होते हैं 52. Okay, now what is being asked? Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a spade card, a red face card, a jack of heart, a spade, and the queen of diamond. Okay, so first let me understand that how many cards are there. So there are 52 cards. Okay, 52 cards होते हैं हर टाइप के. First one होता है spade. Okay, spade. Then spade means look like this. Okay, you might have seen this type of card. Spade. Okay, then heart, which is red one, and one more red card is there. The diamond card. This type से बनता है. Okay, heart looks like this. Okay, and one more is there. The spade. Sorry, club one. Club means the black heart. Okay, so club and spade both are black color, and diamond and heart both are red colored card. Okay, club और spade black color card होते हैं, diamond और heart दोनों red colored card होते हैं. That thing you should keep in your mind. Now they all are having. They are starting from number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then a jack, queen, king, and at last one is. ठीक है, जो भी कार्ड है हर टाइप में 13 कार्ड्स होते हैं. सपोज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक द हार्ट. तो हार्ट होता है रेड कलर का, इसमें होते हैं 13 कार्ड. स्टार्ट होता है फ्रॉम नंबर 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. देन फिर आता है जैक, क्वीन, किंग एंड एस. ओके, यू कॉल्ड इन योर लैंग्वेज का. ओके, नाउ तो हर टाइप के 13 कार्ड होते हैं. जैक, क्वीन एंड किंग दे आर कॉल्ड फेस कार्ड. व्हाट? फेस कार्ड. जैक, किंग और क्वीन फेस कार्ड होते हैं. तो हर एक टाइप में 3 फेस कार्ड होते हैं. टोटल 4 टाइप्स के कार्ड है. देयर विल बी 12. 3, 4 दैट 12 फेस कार्ड आर देयर. ओके, अब अगर हम बात करें कि नंबर ऑफ रेड कार्ड, तो नंबर ऑफ रेड कार्ड कितने होते हैं? 13 of heart and 13 of diamond. There are 26 red face card. Sorry, 26 red card. Okay, if we talk about the black card is spade. Black card. So club and spade both are black card. Okay, now so I think you might be understand. अगर आपको प्लेइंग कार्ड के बारे में नॉलेज है देन यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड इजीली. नहीं है देन यू हैव टू लर्न इट, यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. बिकॉज इस एक्सरसाइज में सबसे ज्यादा जो क्वेश्चन बनते हैं दे आर आस्क्ड ऑन द प्लेइंग कार्ड. ओके, so please try to understand, please learn it. Okay, we'll begin with question number 14. So question number 14 is what? One card is drawn from a well shuffled play. What is question number 14? 14 is one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. So there are total number of cards. Right? Question number 14 is right. Total number of cards There are how many? 52 playing cards are there. Now, find the probability of getting a king of red color. As I told, there are 26 red color cards, 13 of heart and 13 of what? Diamond. So 26 red color cards are there. First में क्या पूछा उसने? King of, find the probability of king of red color card. So in first one, number of red color king. Red color key. So, number of red color key, as I told you, heart and diamond both are having red color. Okay, and both have one king, means two red color king will be there. Okay, हर एक टाइप के 13 कार्ड होते हैं. हार्ट और आपका डायमंड दोनों रेड कलर के होते हैं और दोनों में एक एक किंग है. मींस वी हैव टू रेड कलर किंग. नंबर ऑफ रेड कलर किंग वी हैव 2. If we have to find this probability, so probability of red color or red king, okay, it will be 2 red king are there and total number of cards. Total number of cards, how many are? 52. So out of 52, we have 2 red color cards. Then we divide it, we get 1 on 26. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's move further. A face card. They are asking for a face card. Face card, as I told you, 3 face card in each type. So 4 types are there. There will be 12 red cards. Sorry, 12 face cards. So 12 face cards only. So 12 upon total number of cards we have what? How many? 50. Second one, the probability will be what? 12 upon what? 52. You can calculate it easily. 4 3s are 12 and 4 13s are 52. Is it clear? In next one they ask a red face card. A red face card means what? Card with red face. Okay, a red face card. तो red face card मैंने क्या बताया था कि जो हमारा डायमंड होता है, हार्ट होता है, दोनों रेड कलर के होते हैं और दोनों में 3 face cards हैं. Means there will be how many? 6 face cards. So probability of red face card will be what? 6 upon total number of cards are there. 52. When we cut it, we will get what? It can be cut by, no, we can cut it by 2. Okay, 2 3s are and 2 26 are 52. Okay, now let's move further. A jack of hearts. Jack of hearts. Heart के कितने कार्ड होते हैं? हार्ट मींस रेड कलर हार्ट. हार्ट के 13 कार्ड होते हैं और जेक पूछा है, उससे जेक एक ही होता है. एक टाइप में एक ही जेक होता है. तो इट्स प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी व्हाट? 1 upon 52. नेक्स्ट अ स्पेड. स्पेड में स्पेड के 13 कार्ड होते हैं, हर टाइप के 13 होते हैं. इट्स प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी व्हाट? 13 upon 52. 13 upon 52 means you can cut it by 13, 1 by 4. And last, queen of diamond. Queen of diamond. Diamond की queen. So diamond में एक queen होती है. Okay, so its probability will be what? 1 by 52. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's move to question number 15. 5 cards, 10. Okay. And 15th question they have given. There are 5 cards. 1, 10. Second one is what? Jack. Third one is what? Queen. Fourth one, king, and last one, ace. And ace of diamond. Ace of diamond. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards are there. Then what they are asked are well shuffled and their face downward. उनको अच्छे से shuffle करके उल्टा उनको रखा हुआ है. They kept downward. Okay. Then one card is then picked up at random. कोई भी randomly card हम आपको उठा रहे हैं. Then what is the probability of the card of the queen? तो queen की probability क्या होगी? So we have 5 cards. Queen comes 1 only. Okay. So its probability will be what? 1 upon 5. Okay. Second one. If the queen is drawn and put aside, now queen has been taken out and kept aside. Means queen को उठा के अलग कर दिया गया. Now we have only 4 cards left. What is the probability that the second card picked up with an S? So second card turn ले रहे हो S होगा. Now S comes 1 upon 4. Okay. Next they ask a queen. Queen already we have taken out and we kept it to the side, so we don't have many 4 cards. Out of this 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, we don't have queen. What we have after keeping queen aside, we have 10, jack, king, and ace. So we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 cards left, and they are asking for the queen. So now we don't have queen. So its probability what? It will be what? Impossible event, and its probability what will be what? 0 upon 5. Then it will be what? 0. Probability of impossible event always is 0. Okay. Now, so this was question number 15. Now let's move to question number 16. 12 defective panes are accidentally kept, accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. So there are how many panes? 12 defective and 132 good. So 132 12, 144 pairs are there. So total number of pairs will be what? 144. It is not possible to just locate the pen and tell whether or not it is defective. We cannot directly identify by looking them, that we cannot identify that which one is defective, which one is good. Okay, one pen is taken out at random from the lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken is a good one. So हमको जो हम वहाँ से randomly पेन उठा रहे हैं उसकी probability बतानी है whether it is good. Okay, इसकी probability क्या होगी? Good होगा. So total number of pens are there. How many pens are there? Total number of pens are 144. 12 defective one and 132 good one. Okay, so when we add them, we'll get total number of pens 144. Further, what they have asked, they are asking that we have to give, pick one pen randomly. Okay, and what will be the probability that that pen we have taken out is good one? So वो जो good pen है उसकी probability क्या होगी? So good pen are how many? 132. Total number of pens are 144. So probability will be 132 upon 144. Is it clear? Okay. So its probability will be what? 132 upon 144, and you can cut it by 12. 12, 11 by 12, 12. Probability will be 11 by 10. Okay. You have to solve it properly, step by step. Okay, I am just explaining. Now question number 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. A lot of 20 bulbs. There are 20 bulbs. Out of them 4 are defective ones. Means 20 में से 4 defective है. Means 16 will be good one. Okay. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that the bulb is defective? अब उसमें इस lot में से किसी एक bulb को हम randomly उठा रहे हैं. तो क्या probability होगी? That what is the probability that this bulb is defective? The defective की probability क्या होगी? So defective, 4 defective, 16 good. If we are picking up one bulb from them, so what will be the probability that will be a good defective bulb? Okay, so defective की probability क्या होगी? तो defective कितने हैं? 4. Okay, total कितने हैं? 20. So we are taking one defective. So probability will be what? 4 upon 20. Is it clear? कोई 4 defective bulb है, उन्हीं में से एक आएगा. Defective की probability पूछे तो जो defective है उन्हीं में से एक आएगा. तो 4 times we can take defective one. Okay. So 4 upon total number of bulbs we have 24 upon 20 will be the probability of that one. Okay. Now second one. Suppose the bulb is in first one is not defective. They are telling अगर जो हमने फर्स्ट सिचुएशन जो बल्ब वहाँ से उठाया वो डिफेक्टिव नहीं है. ओके. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? अब हमने वहाँ से उठा तो लिया है, उसको अलग भी रख दिया है. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बल्ब वी हैव रिमेन हाउ मेनी? 21 bulb. Out of 21 bulb we have kept aside. Okay. Now we have 19 bulb remain only. How many? 19. उस 19 में से उसने क्या बोला है? Second condition. Please use your textbook. Please. Suppose the bulb drawn in 1 is not defective and is not replaced. जो 20 में से एक बल्ब हमने फर्स्ट सिचुएशन में उठाया वो डिफेक्टिव भी नहीं है और उसको हम रिप्लेस भी नहीं कर सकते. मीन्स व्हाट? हमने जो बल्ब उठाया था हमने किस लिए उठाया था? डिफेक्टिव के लिए. बट बाय मिस्टेक वी हैव टेकन नॉन डिफेक्टिव. मीन्स गुड बल्ब. ओके. अब गुड बल्ब कितने हैं? टोटल बल्ब कितने बचे हैं? 20 में से 1 हमने ऑलरेडी निकाल दिया है. 19 बल्ब है. अब 19 है, उसमें से जो बल्ब हमने उठाया था वो क्वेश्चन में सिचुएशन, सेकंड क्वेश्चन में सिचुएशन क्या की वाली कि वो जो हमने उठाया था वो गुड वन है, नॉट डिफेक्टिव। तो अब गुड वन 16 थे पहले, 4 डिफेक्टिव थे, 16 गुड थे, एक ऑलरेडी हमने निकाल दिया, गुड कितने हैं 50। इज इट क्लियर? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। तो 15 गुड वन भी है। नाउ वन बल्ब इज ड्रॉन एट रैंडम फ्रॉम द रेस्ट में 19 में से अपन एक बल्ब को उठा रहे हैं। व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट दिस बल्ब इज नॉट डिफेक्टिव? तो डिफेक्टिव नहीं होगा उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? तो नंबर ऑफ गुड बल्ब वी हैव now remain 50 and total number of bulbs we have 19. So probability will be what? 15 upon 19. Okay, थोड़ा ट्राई करना, थोड़ा इसको सही से समझना, because इससे पहले whatever you have learned in probability you have just studied on the basic level. Now your level is increasing. Please try to understand. Now let's go to next question. So 18th question you have to solve. Okay, 19 also, let's see 19th question. 19th question is what? A child has a die with 6 faces shown the letter as given below, A, B, C, D, E and A. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A and D? So you are intelligent. How to solve? Okay. Move to question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region showing 15.6, figure number 15.6. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle which diameter 1 meter? तो एक रेक्टेंगुलर फिगर आपको दिख रहा होगा, उस फिगर के अंदर एक सर्कल है। अगर आप एक डाई को वहां से ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं तो उसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि वो डाई सिर्फ उस सर्कल के अंदर वहां जाके गिरेगी? तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, you have to find area of circle. Okay, and probability will be what? The die is dropping into only circular region. So probability will be what? Area of circle upon area of rectangle. Okay. Okay. Now, the 21st also you have to solve. Okay, 22nd, 23rd, and I think remaining question you can solve it. Please go through it. I'm also I will be providing PDF, so you can use that also. Still you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, please try to solve the question based on card, because in exam they ask many times. Okay, so please keep in mind whatever I taught you, keep in mind, and still you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you.